Hi everyone. Today we will look at mini Java project or library management. This project explains how a member can borrow a book and shows how multiple classes interact using object-oriented programming concepts like objects, methods, encapsulation, association between classes. Now let us take a look at project structure. In this we have four classes. Firstly, it's main, it starts the program, and second, library member, it represents a library user. And third, it's a book, it represents a book. And lastly, it's a book copy, it represents a physical copy of the book. Now, let's go to the code. In here, main.java, we create a library member and a book object. Here we created a library member named Tirumala and a book name called Designs Patterns in Java. And now in library member.java, here it checks if the member is under limit and calls book.borrow of this to assign the book. And now in book.java, it sends member info to the book copy object. And in bookcopy.java, it marks book copy is taken and stores member references. Let's now visualize how these classes are related. Now let's look at UML sequence diagram that shows how a book is borrowed. Firstly, the entire process starts from main class, which creates the library member. And the member calls the book of borrow book. And it triggers the call to book class, which then delegates the request a book copy. And book copy is marked as borrow by using set taken of member method. This These vertical lines represents how object lifespans, and these arrows represents how method calls in order they happen. Now let's further clarify. Take a look at output. In here we execute the output in a command prompt. The execute code we have done the Java C space star dot Java. Here we don't have any error. So directly we can execute Java space. Here we execute only the main file. And here it successfully. Here let's look at book copy marked as taken by Tirumala. And Tirumala successfully borrowed the book. And the book name was Design Patterns in Java. This is how we used Java to in library management of borrowing method. So thanks for watching all.